Do you want to learn cricket in 3 minutes? And can you hit a super six? Wow, what a shot! So let's get started with the T20 fun cricket story. 3, 2, 1, let's play.
Come on, kids, to the ground today. Cricket is so fun. T20 brings excitement, sixes raining one by one.
Swing the bat and hit the ball. Learn the rules of play. We will learn with lots of fun
And win the game today. Chintu, Pinky, Golu came carrying their bats.
Super fast, their team is ready. Smiles on all their faces bright.
Caps on heads and gloves are set. Helmets nice and tight.
Learning all together now how to play it right.
20 overs in a match, quick and full of thrill. Focus on each ball you face. That's the game's real skill. Make some noise and cheer out loud. T20 is the game.
Score some runs and hit big sixes.
We will win the fame. Learn and play at the same time. Rules and teamwork smart. This fun way of learning makes us all super smart.
Golu comes in out of bat. The ball comes very fast.
Slowly, slowly he learns well how to play each shot.
Defense, drive, pull and cut.
He keeps them all in mind.
Hits a six so high and far.
The crowd goes wild with joy. Every run is very precious. Don't lose your wicket.
Play for your team, dear kids.
That's the perfect ticket. Now it's Pinky's turn to bowl. She shows spin and swing.
Chintu takes a lovely catch.
Everyone starts clapping.
Fielding is important too.
Run fast and stay alert.
Save each run with all your might.
That's how you'll be the best. Teamwork always brings success.
Not a one-man show.
When we play together well,
Our fame will surely grow.
make some noise and shout out loud. T20, T20 is the game.
Learn and play together now.
You'll achieve great fame. Fun and learning go together, side by side each day. Cricket teaches us in life. Win or lose, just play.
Now the match has come to end.
Scores are looking great.
The team that played together well.
Wins and celebrates.
Win or lose is part of life.
Play with all your heart.
That's the lesson T20 gives.
Keep trying from the start.
So dear kids,
सीख
remember
यही है
this.
T20 की कोशिश करो
Games
बार
teach
बार
us a lot.
T20
सीख
shows
यही-
teamwork.
And skills that can't be bought.
With bat and ball and lots of fun.
Learn something new each day.
Sing this cricket song aloud.
And keep the joy in play.
वीडियो पसंद आया? लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो। एज़ू स्माइल।